Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cauliflower shrimp fried rice. In the comments someone asked me would I make a healthy dish, so this is the healthy dish. First you're going to take your cauliflower and you're going to grate it and you're going to make it grated like rice. So I'm going to show you right here. Take the cauliflower, take your grater and just grate it. And be careful not to cut your hands. You can do this in a blender or a food processor. Food processor probably would be the best way to go. And this is how the cauliflower looks, grated as rice. Now add 2 spoons of extra virgin olive oil into a warm skillet or pan. This is about 3/4 cup of chopped onions. Saute the onions, and you're going to add about 3/4 cups of carrots. If you like more carrots, add more carrots, more onions. Cook them until they get a little soft. This is about a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. I had some leftover mushroom, so I just cut up the few mushroom and add that as well. You don't have to put the mushroom into your rice, but I did. And I added 3/4 cup of frozen sweet peas, a dash of green onions. I added shrimp. I seasoned the shrimp before about 30 minutes. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Once they cook, I remove the shrimp so they won't overcook. Now I'm going to add the rice, the cauliflower rice. I'm going to mix the cauliflower rice, the carrots, the garlic. Once you have it all mixed together, add a teaspoon of olive oil and 2 eggs. Mix together. Now you're going to add in your shrimp. Once the shrimp is added in, add a dash of low sodium soy sauce. Now for the crucial taste test of my cauliflower shrimp fried rice. So go for it, girls.
Okay. Scared. Okay, let's take a bite together. I usually don't eat stuff like this. Okay. Looks good, guys. Okay, ready? That's really good.
I'm getting it. That's good. I could eat that. That was really good. I like the whole thing. That's yummy.
Can I have some more?